But when they go to cancel you, ladies and gentlemen, it comes hard and fast. You lose your Facebook, then your Instagram, then your Gmail, then your Discord, then your website hosting, then your domain name, like then your payment processor, then your bank. Then like it's just like in real time, you're watching your phone and apps just exploding. Boom, boom, boom. It's crazy. I don't want to go conspiracy theorist. I'm just telling people what I've been through. It's really crazy. And if they'll do it to me for saying women can't park a car, which was a joke, sorry world, then they'll do it to basically anybody. And you have to be prepared for that. And that's one of the reasons why I've moved to Rumble now, because I've had long conversations with senior management there, and they promise that I can make jokes without being destroyed and annihilated, which is quite refreshing. So I very much look forward to continuing my legacy and continuing my work on Rumble, rumble.com/Tate Speech. And I know for a fact that my young fans will come with me. So this is just the beginning of a mass exodus away from the influence of control by tech companies